Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been months since I had a new video on YouTube. I was very busy with some big projects, and then it was festive season, and now it's already February. Well, anyway, today I don't have anything to do today, so I want to make a cutting board either for myself or to a family member that I'm thinking of. So I'm going to show you the cutting board that I have in mind. I hope it looks good, so stay tuned. Okay, so at this stage I just scraped off all the excess glue, but it would be awesome if you had a drum sander. Just clean it a bit 1 or 2 times through the drum sander, but I don't have one, so I'm gonna continue like this, and then I'll show you how I will do the flattening of this cutting board. Well, that process would have been a lot easier if I had if it fit in my sled, but on this side and the width it fitted, but not on the length, so I had to manually cut that. Interesting, messed up a bit, but I will still be able to make it look nice, get it all squared up. So now at this stage, if you had a belt sander, you can just put it through there, or a thicknesser. But me, I'm going to use my CNC machine to get it flat. I'm going to turn it around, and I'm going to flat that side also, because currently there is a small warp in the cutting board, and I don't want that. So guys, this is the end of my cutting board episode. I'm very happy about how it turned out. It's silky smooth. I can only see someone enjoying a beautiful steak on this board, and even some cheese or bread. And well, I hope you liked my video. If you did like it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not, and see what I have in store for the next projects coming up. Thanks a lot.